Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be unboxing the ASUS Zenfone Maxpro M1. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now yes, the box is not in my hand because I'm literally recording in the office right now. But yes, let's get started on the unboxing. And on the front of the box is Zenfone Maxpro M1. Going on to the back are the specifications of the phone. On opening up the box, and there are a few accessories that come with the Maxpro M1. The first is the micro USB cable. Next is the charger, earphones, and extra ear tips. There's also another mini box in the box that contains the user guide and warranty information. Transparent TPU case here, as well as a SIM tray removal tool. I'm finally getting to the phone itself, and I have to say it feels quite chunky. Specs wise, there is a 6-inch display here powered by a Snapdragon 636 processor and a huge ass 5000 mAh battery. Now there is a 6-inch notchless 1080p display here that has the 18:9 aspect ratio that is so common these days. On the right side of the phone are the volume and power buttons, which are rather very stiff. I'd have wanted them to be a bit more softer. Now going on to the back of the Maxpro M1 is a dual camera setup with a 13 and 5 megapixel camera. On the bottom of the phone is the speaker, headphone jack, and micro USB port. Really ASUS, micro USB port? This is 2018. Why the hell are you still putting micro USB port? Going to the SIM tray, and there is actually a tri-slot here. Now you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card simultaneously, which is pretty sweet. The display here is a 6-inch display, and while it is not the most vibrant, it should be good enough for serious media consumption. The Maxpro M1 has a 5000 mAh battery, and ASUS really boast of how long the phone can last while gaming, and something I'll definitely be testing is the gaming prowess of the Maxpro M1. The Maxpro M1 is powered by a Snapdragon 636 processor, as I've said before, and for the first time in ASUS's lineup, it runs stock Android. And since it is stock Android, it ran very snappy, and I did not notice any lags or hangs up while using the phone. And also, like I said before, the M1 is very hefty, probably due to that big 5000 mAh battery, but it's just something I noticed. Talking about things I noticed, and something that is definitely apparent here is how unpolished the camera interface is here on the M1. Now first off, it looks nothing like ASUS's standard camera interface, and secondly, it looks very basic. Yes, functionality like portrait mode and different scene presets are here, but there's not much else really. I'll be doing a camera test to see how the Maxpro M1 performs in everyday scenarios. Now finally, as regards to price, this is where the Maxpro M1 really shines. Now there are 3 versions available here, with the first version starting at 699 ringgit with slightly downgraded memory and camera. The second version goes for 849 ringgit with slightly upgraded specs, while the third and most expensive version goes for 999 Malaysian ringgit here. With their pricing point and very aggressive marketing, I can say that ASUS is really gunning for the Redmi Note 5, which I also happen to have. And since I have both devices, I'll be doing, the comparisons between the Redmi Note 5 and the Maxpro M1. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, that is my colleague in the background there. But thank you so much for watching. And what other videos you want me to make about the Maxpro M1? Let me know in the comment section down there below, and I'll definitely get to it. A huge shout out to ASUS who sent us the device actually a bit early, and a little bit apologies for the late video. Anyways, that's basically been it. Thank you so much for watching. I really love and appreciate you. Make sure you take care of your awesome, wonderful, amazing self, and I shall catch you next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye. Anytime now. Welcome. Welcome, Mr. Susanto.
Is it your question?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.